everyone, Sid here back again with another video. So in this video we're going to discuss about how to create a AC technician website. So you're already aware about the AC technician. So in every country having of course requirement the AC technicians, but yes, so sometimes it's difficult to get the AC technician, but yeah, here any technicians can create a website. Also they can get a multiple traffic, also they will get easily client. So how you also guys are aware about the website is really important for everyone because we are living the digital world. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to create a website or cheapest website. I mean, of course I will give you example how you can buy a domain, how you can buy a server, and also how to make a website. Everything I'm going to show you in this video. So let's start. So before wasting a lot of time, I'm going to here in domainrisher.com. So why I'm going to here, so just buying the domain, just click on the domain. After the clicking domain, you need to search. Suppose I'm going to make a AC technician website. So here let me search the AC technician India. I mean, of course the spelling is incorrect, but might be, let me search again, India. Okay, but of course whenever you're trying to buy a domain, you just select the INR. So now I have already selected the INR, which is the Indian currency. Then what I need to do, just click on the add to cart. Once you added here, then just click on the shared hosting or any other hosting, whatever hosting you need. Okay, here we have the multiple plan like cPanel, Linux reseller, premium hosting, LMS. So suppose I'm going to buy as a shared hosting. So now you can check here the 800 something amount is 831 something I need to pay for the 1 year server hosting plan. Okay, and here with the personal you can host the one website, and we have the also unlimited SSD storage as well as unlimited bandwidth. And so now I'm going to click on the add to cart. So now we can select which is a AC technician india.com, which is a domain, and also here we have the server plan. So let me click on the continue button. So if you want to ID protections, to protect your ID, just click on here, and also some DNS external help, so you can increase your website speed. So I'm going to click the continue button. So once you clicked on the continue button, you need to fill the form, which is a normal information like your name, email, okay, phone number, and company information if you have. So just put your information here and just continue and just pay whatever amount you need to pay. Okay, so now the finally step, suppose also you guys aware about. So after that, what you need to do, I am going to show my account, which is a domainrisher.com only. Let me show you. Click on the login button. So this is my information, which is the email ID and password. I'm going to click login button. This will take little bit time to redirect your dashboard, so wait for a minute. Yeah, so now we are inside of the dashboard. Just click on the service, which is one service we have, and here we have whatever services we have, we need to click on the active button. Just click on the active. So after clicking the active button, what you need to do, just wait, this is taking time, but yeah, no problem. So now we have login to cPanel button. Just click on the login to cPanel. So once you click on the login to cPanel, what you need to do, I will explain you everything guys, every step, so don't worry about it. So now just search here WordPress. So now we are finally in the WordPress. Just scroll down here, we have the script, and also we have seen here the WordPress. So after the clicking the WordPress, what you need to do, just click on the install now button. Sorry for disturbance. So sorry, now let me show you here. I have already installed, so I'm going to click on the delete button. So after the clicking the delete button, just click on the remove installations. So finally I successfully deleted the WordPress whatever we have in the domain. So now I'm going to again scroll down, and here we can manage again the WordPress things. Login, let me show you. Sorry, so here we have the setup, we need to put to the all information. Okay, so let me check again the quick installations, also we can click here. So let me remove this one. Also we have the ID, and also we need to put password like admin 1818 something. So now I am going to put here email ID, which is Siddharth Shukla 089@gmail, the admin and email ID. So whenever you need to log in, you need to put the email ID and password something. Yeah, we have already put it here, the admin 1818. So I'm going to hide here. Of course I will delete my website after the practical things already happening. So now click on the install. This will take little bit time, so keep patient. So finally this is done. So now you can check the home page, and we have the admin panel. Let me show you. This is a home page by default, which is provided by the WordPress. Now I'm going to click on the admin panel, so directly we can go inside of the admin panel. So now what we need to do here, I'm going to click here appearance, then theme. Here you can search as Astra, but yeah, of course this is not available. We need to click here add new and search here Astra. Now just click on the install now button, which is install, and yeah, this is taking little bit time. So finally this is done. I'm going to click on the active button. After clicking the active button, so I am going to click on the Astra option, and here we need to click install import template. So finally I clicked on the install template. So now click on the Elementor. Yes, AC technicians, this is free template, and you can also check on the preview, but I don't want right now. I just want to import theme. Here some extra import customized import installation. So yeah, I'm intermediary, you can say my client. Click on the next, and if you want to put information, of course there you can also put, but I don't want. I just skip that. You have already seen that the successfully theme installed. So now I am going to show you about the theme. You can check here, we have the AC Technician beautiful website we have in front of us. So now we have the home page, and here we have seen we have the menu, and we inside the menu we have the some social icon like a Facebook, Twitter, and any other icons we have. Now here we have the logo. We can put our logo, and inside we have the banner. So whatever banner you have, of course you can put it here. And here some text we have right side, some button schedule the meeting something. Of course you can add some kind of functionality in the your website. Some part of course you want to put something like this one, of course you can put our commitment something. So yeah, this is also important to put in the website, so customer can read about it, the what kind of services you provide, and why the people choose you. So why choose you, I mean upfront price, okay, and anything services, and whatever text you want to put, why the choose, of course very well as a compared to me. So here are some example provided by the theme only. So of course you have your own content, so then you can put it here. But how you can change, of course I will tell you. And again scroll down, so whatever client you have, so you can put here the logo. And so suppose any client or any customer you said about the feedback, you providing such kind of functionality, and your services is really amazing as compared to any other services provider. So of course you can also put it some testimonial things inside of the website. If you want to change also, I will explain you some appearance. You want to change the website also, you can do that from your side only. You don't need to any developer put in the some extra efforts also. Here we have the last thing, which is location, working hours, and phone numbers. So of course whatever phone numbers, working hours, and any other things you have in mind, of course you can change from the admin panel. I will show you, don't worry about it. I am going to scroll above, and here we have seen we have the service page. inside of the service page also you can check out with a different kind of services also in the pipeline, like service maintenance, system replacement, pipe cleaning, heater, fan motor, exhaust fan cleaning. So whatever services you providing here, so of course you can put here. Okay, so here we have the different kind of companies logo, so you can also put there. Then just scroll down, which is a general inquiries. Also you can put whatever question, most of the questions are asked by the client, of course you can put here, so people can visit the website also, they can know, yes, of course the questions there in mind, of course in the website also answer, they can get the exactly, so how many years of the warranty you providing after services. Okay, so if anything happened in the of course services, so what you will provide, and suppose any gas, any other part are replacing something, so you providing services, and you also giving the warranty, any other services which is better than any service provider also you can put here only. So now again we have the footer, which is centralized, so using all in the website. Also one page which is about, so here you can put whatever informations you need, like a normal information related to your reviews and product. So yeah, of course you can put it here. And last thing, which is the important for everyone, which is the contact page. So guys, I'm not going to show you how to configure SMTP, because if I explain in a single video, this will go more than 1 hour something, so I'm not going to explain. So I'm going to put here the SMTP WordPress real programmer, you can search, which is my channel only, which is a real programmer. If you're not subscribed right now, also just click on the subscribe button, and you can choose how to send email using Gmail SMTP server. So you can check out this video, also you can know how to configure SMTP server. So now I'm going to click on the, suppose we have the form here, and just click here with once you fill the information, the where your mail will go, so you can configure from the SMTP using the SMTP. Okay, using your WordPress website only. So let me go inside the after clicking the edit with Elementor. Once I clicked on the Elementor edit, so now we are going to inside of the admin panel. So drag and drop things, you can, or easily you can maintain your website using Elementor plugin. So most of the website now in WordPress, they are using Elementor plugin. Is really amazing plugin, you can say, so where you can customize your theme, and also you can add more functionality. Okay, so now we are here. Suppose you want to change this banner, okay, and banner background, so you need to click there, and after that you can select any background images if you have. Okay, suppose just click here, and free images, suppose media library already, if in the website you can select any media library, but we don't have right now, so just check any background image. Let me search which is the contact background. But I am going to show you how you can do that. Suppose you want to this banner. Okay, just click here, insert media. Might be, suppose I'm going to this one, select this one, insert media. This is taking a little bit because this fetching from the server only. So yes, now we have the finally this page, and position where you want. Okay, right, left, center, so you can select whatever place you like that. Okay, and so this way you can customize your border, I mean which is a background image. So now let me this one edit, just click on the edit button, and from here you can also the edit whatever text you want. And same thing in location also, whatever locations you have you can easily select. Suppose you have images, so you can easily select the images. Suppose any other images if you don't have, you can of course you have already, suppose you have, so of course you can also select from there only. So this way you can manage your website easily, guys. And also the form, if you want to change something, any field something, yes, we have using the WP forms, which is inside of the admin panel. So where this is coming, just click on the WP forms, click on the all forms. So every forms having the different short code. So suppose this form we are using right now, so here you can check the short code, just copy this code, and then you need to select which is the enter your short code you can put here. So this form automatically will appear once you put it the short code. Okay, so now hope so this guys is aware about it. Now suppose you want to any other functionality which is a different from this website. Okay, so click on the edit which is the add template. Now click on the block, which is block, guys, and here suppose I want something which is contact related things. Okay, so yeah, I don't want like recently website I mean which is already implemented in the website. So suppose some free or some paid version, guys, I want to this one. So let me click on the here, and whenever you need to implement any things from the Elementor, you need to verify your account with the help of the Elementor. So I just click on the connect. So finally this is verified successfully. Now you can see we have the different map, and also we have the inquiries form here, and yeah, we have successfully implemented these particular things which is already inside of the above. But I don't want, suppose, so just click on the remove button. Yeah, we have finally discussed, I mean put it the email ID as well as form. So now just click on the update button, update. Okay, so once you clicked on the update button, what you need to do, just click on the home page and watch again this is coming or not. Let me click on the contact. Once I clicked on the contact, I am going to scroll. Look guys, we have to change the banner. We have already implemented one section which is here, and you want to some changes here also, you can do that from your side only. And suppose hope so this is, guys, you aware about how to manage your contact page. Suppose you want to change the navigation thing as well as footer things, I am going to explain you. Just click on the customize. Once you click on the customize, you can also easily manage your menu which is the top, and also the footer part also you can manage. Suppose logo you want to change, or any other name correction you want from your side, on any additional suppose menu you have, so you can also easily manage from your side only. So now let me scroll down. So I am going to here, and this is taking little bit of time, so keep patience, might be good for us. Yeah, so finally you can see, suppose you have clicked on the logo, so now you can change the logo easily. If you have any logo, of course you can upload from your side only. So once you clicked on the logo, so now once you clicked on the design and logo something, so you have already seen how we can manage. And click on the top banner, and suppose you have the menu, and just click here menu and sub menu. Also you can easily manage your menu. So now let me scroll down, and here we have menu, all, and primary menu we are using right now. Let me scroll down here. Suppose we have the home, we have services, we have about, we have contact. If you have any other menu, you can easily select. Suppose any post you have, suppose I want to hello world something. Okay, just click on the hello world. So now you can see we have the hello world in the top banner. Just click on the publish. So let me remove this one. Same thing also you can manage your footer. Suppose if you want to change something from there only, you need to click on the Elementor, and you can easily manage your website using Elementor. Suppose guys, if you're having any issue using this using WordPress, let me know. Definitely I will create a separate video, so guys you can understand how you can create a website using WordPress. And please do subscribe. I have urgent call right now, so I'm just stopping my video. Guys, anything you need from my side, so let me put your comment in the description here. Definitely I will make a separate video for you. Thank you for watching this video.